Hey, welcome back to ASMR Naturalee'LaTree Inspired, and welcome if you are new. Y'all, I'm here, you see by the title, I'm about to do a quick hair tutorial on my natural hair. I'm going to show you all how I got this new look that I've been rocking. It's a quick updo, it's a quick little bun on my texture hair, which I consider. It is my natural texture for a 4C combination hair. And in the meantime, while I'm doing this, I'm going to have this Charms Super Blow Pop watermelon flavor, just to give those ASMR sounds. And this should not take me long to do at all. I'm working on my camera angle, so I hope that this is good. Starting with some very dry, crusty hair. Very dry, very crusty. I wanted to do it like this because I really wanted to show you how it came to be unintentionally when I first did it. It was just a quick refresh of my hair because I know I need to wash it. So just a quick go-to. Starting with my hair as it is here. A mess, okay. And we got the little stretchy. My 360 water bottle, just got some warm water in it. After this, I will be shampooing my hair. I just wanted to do this quickly before I do it. Brush is wet. This is the newer gel that I started using. Started using this gel. Got this from Target. It is the Labella brand. Lots of curls, styling gel, plus avocado oil. And it's for sculpture, it sculpts and defines. And yeah, I've been liking it. Long lasting, flexible, frizz-free, styling enhances and defines curls. Never stiff or sticky, alcohol-free, flake-free, formula-free. Apply evenly to damp hair. Enhance natural texture for smooth, defined curls. Minus the frizz, made with nourishing avocado oil for strength, for strong, touchable strength. So this is what I'm using. I just apply it around the perimeter of my hair. Just take this, just hold it up like that. Then I take my stretchy band. This is just like a stretchy headband that is cut. Just take it like this, slide it up. Slide it up, kind of tight, comfort for myself, in the center of my head. Just take this around a couple times, and I'll double knot it. This is how you get this look. And then I take this up there. I have, I should really be able to do this in under 5-10 minutes. I've been talking a little bit. Rubber band. So I'm gonna take this and apply it, but I want to make sure that this is smooth, just a little more moisture. Take the rubber band and I'm going to apply it to the end, closest to the end that I can get it. Like that. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to tuck it in. I'm going to take the ends and tuck it inward into the center of the bun. And just shape it a little bit. The fact that it has so much frizz and everything in the center of it is giving me the volume I need for thickness and fullness. I want to band it. I'll band it a little bit further down. Like this. A little more. Now. Like that. Then pat it and shape it. Take the ends. Tuck it in. And that's my bun. You just kind of shape it and pat it to your liking. Because a lot of times you'll see people do this. They'll roll a sock up in there. Get the fake little, get the little clip-on bun. Or they'll get the drawstring bun. There's a lot of ones that you can get. But this is a way that you can apply it yourself without even having to put anything inside it to get the actual shape of it. Don't look too much different. In all honesty, this will be a questionable bun. Is that her hair or is that a clip-on? It's mine. Then I take a bit of this, but I got edge gel. I've been using this Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Extra Edge Gel. Y'all know y'all like, why she sucking that sucker eating candy? My audience, a lot of my audience cares for ASMR activity, sounds, things that can trigger them in certain ways. If it be tapping, whispering, little sounds, this triggers things. So that's why I do that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this. And I'm going to take it, apply it to the edges and that program right here. Take a brush and just smoothing it up. I'll just take a little bit and say, take a little bit like that. And then swoop it. Take a little bit like that. Swoop it. Ta-da! So that was easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However you look at it. But this really can be done in 5 to 10 minutes. Quick, easy tutorial on natural hair, uncrusted, dry natural hair. Thumbs up my video, like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get more uploads from me. Natural Girls will rock. Love this shirt, been having it for years. I think it's time for me to present some apparel of my own designs that I have that I want to present to you all. So I will be coming with some of that soon. But yeah, I need to make sure there's all the any of this is there. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. It's me, ASMR. Naturally Tree Inspires.